How to temporarily deactivate Messenger account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Messenger and make sure you are logged into your Messenger account through Facebook. Now tap onto the 3-bar icon on your top left and tap onto gear icon on your top right. Now scroll below and go to Personal Details under Accounts Center. Again, tap on Personal Details under Account Settings. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here you will see Deactivation or Deletion option at the end. Tap onto that. Make sure you toggle on Deactivate account instead of Delete account. Know that deleting your account is permanent, but deactivating your account is temporary. Once you select this Deactivate account, tap on Continue. Lastly, enter your password and tap on Continue to successfully deactivate your Messenger account. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.